welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I want to do an eyeshadow look using this Lurella Let's Get Jolly palette. And I want to use these colors down here. So I want to do a pink and blue look today. I have a blue shirt on, so we're going to go for a pink and blue look. It's more about putting the colors together than anything else. So we'll see how this turns out. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. All right, so this does have a good size mirror in it. So I'm going to use the mirror. And I want to first take this color here, which is Greetings. So this is more like the royal blue color. And this is a color I want on in my crease in the outer area. And I already have my tape on so that it can be precise. If you're not using tape yet, you have to try it. Okay, and because I'm taking the blue in my crease, I am gonna have to cut my crease so that way the pink stands out. And I'm just building up the color in my crease. Okay, I am going to deepen it up, and I'm going to use this color here, Jolly. But I'm going to take it on a different brush. I'm going to take Jolly, the deeper blue, on this brush here. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. It's already peeling, so I've had it for a while. And I need to hold my tape in place because it is kind of shifting a little bit. Okay, and I do want to actually, while I was doing putting that deeper blue on, I kind of want to use pink to kind of blend out the edges. So I'm gonna use this pink here, Sleigh Bells, and I'll use that to blend out the edge. Well, we'll see how it starts looking. Because we know blue and pink make purple. So I blended that out. Mistletoe here is a little bit deeper of a pink. This is a glitter shimmer pink, so I'm looking for a matte pink. I'm gonna see if this helps with blending out the edges to get like a little bit of extra purpley pink here. But just on this outer part here. Okay, so let me go cut my crease and kind of clean that up so that we can put this color here. Gumdrop on my lid. I don't know how pigmented this color is. Okay, so this is Gumdrop. If I need to, I can put Mistletoe down, which is this matte color, and then put Gumdrop over top. So I might do that as well. But let me come back after I cut my crease and we'll go ahead and finish our eye look. I cut my crease, and I cut my crease using this P. Louise base, and this is Winter Rose. So the pink color to to kind of help with gumdrop. And now we're gonna just take gumdrop, this pink here, and put that on our lid and hope for the best. Ooh. So I'm just patting it on. Alright, and then my hope is when I blend the blue back into like the outer corner area, that when it hits that pink, like that gets a little bit of like purple here. Because there's no purple in this palette, it's really just blues and pinks and then like these browns. Alright, so I got that all over my lid. Really, really pretty. Okay. Now I'm gonna just take the blue, the deeper blue, which is Jolly. Well, let me actually blend. I'm gonna blend Greetings first, and then I'll blend Jolly over it. Okay, so I always start off in the corner and like slowly bring it in. Maybe it won't go purple. So I'm just lightly trying to bring it forward. Looks a little purple, like a deep violet purple. So I didn't add anything extra to the brush. I'm just kind of bringing the color that's already there forward a little bit to blend it. Okay, and now I'm going to take Jolly, which was the deeper blue. But I'm not taking that as far forward, just in this corner area. Okay, and I think I'm going to leave it like that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, do my eyeliner and all that, my face, and then I'll be back on with the finished look. This is the completed look. What I did for my lower lash line is just blend in that mistletoe, the bright pink, with the same deep blue that I used in my outer crease area to get that color, more of like a purpley violet color. For my waterline, I used this NYX Milk first, and then I used this ColourPop gel liner in Boots. And let's see what else. For my lips, I decided to just tone it down and just kind of keep it toned down, just because my eyes already have enough going on. So what I used there was the Glam Light Eggnog, and then over top I use this Juvia's Place Self Love. Okay, and put some earrings on and all that. The jewelry is from Shein, and also my jean jacket is from Shein as well. So if you never shopped on Shein, make sure you try Shein, test it out. You can get all kinds of stuff on there. Most of my closet is Shein clothes. I have some shoes, like all that. So check Shein out if you haven't before. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this pink and blue look. Go ahead and comment down below, and thank you for watching.